Okay, so this is a shorter video. And what I wanted to do is where we did the last crouching video, just to go back on that. I wasn't happy with the rifle position, right? So we're using a rifle and crouch, but we're not holding a rifle. So it kind of looks weird when you see your hand and you're holding something like this. Um, when you're not supposed to. So you can edit this or replace the animation if you wanted. But I'll just show you how you can do this. So in your animation sequence, if you double click let's start with the idle. If we double click this, what you can do is actually click on it'll probably be set to asset details. So click on the skeleton tree to reveal that. And then what you want to do is actually we can reposition these and save it and also update the position of the arms. So what we want to do is look for lower arm and we're going to just kind of rotate this and adjust this until we're happy with it. I'm going to move this a bit to the side like this. Let's see how that looks. Again, you can fix the fingers as well if you want to do, you know, let's see if we can fix the fingers. Where is the index? Kind of rotate this out a little. I'm gonna just do each individual finger. Whoops. There we go. That'll do. That's a little bit better on that side. And then this side we can do the same. So on the what is it? We're looking for the right lower arm. There we go. And we're gonna rotate this just behind. I think that looks alright. Can get away with that. That looks a little bit better. Hit save, and this will update. And we also need to do it on the crouch walk as well. We need to update the arms, so you can see the arms kind of look a bit funny, right? Stop this from moving for a second, so we can focus on the arms. Lower arm lift. Now just turn this in and then slightly out a tiny bit. So, and let's see how that looks. There we go. Maybe bring this up so it doesn't clip into the body as much. There we go. We can move this slightly up or out. Oh, move it up a tiny bit. There we go. Now we're crouch walking. There we go. And maybe we'll put this arm just slightly back. Where is this? Lower arm. Of course, you can also keyframe these. So if you want the arms slightly swaying, you can add a key and you can animate this, update the animation too, which is kind of cool. I haven't really played too much with the whole thing, but yeah, there we go. I think that's looking better than rather than a rifle animation. I'm gonna hit save, close, hit play, and let's take a look at the animation and the crouch. Give it a second. There we go. So crouch. Did it not update? Let's go back and check. Oh. It's gone back. I thought I saved it. I thought I saved it. Let's check. Well, I'll just move that like that. And let's just do this quickly. Maybe I have to set a key. Maybe I didn't set a key, that's why. And where's the right lower, oh sorry, the left lower arm bump? Turn this in a tiny bit. Choose this upper one. I'm gonna move this tiny bit out. Kind of looks a bit weird but it's gonna work hopefully. I'm just gonna update that key there and update this key here. So these two. Oh yeah, so it is the key. Okay, so lower left arm. Let's bring that down. Say key. There we go. Let's bring this out again. Let's turn it in. There we go. Key. There we go. Hit save. Let's go just check that the walk is working. Bear with me. Yeah, you can see the arms are now by the side. We can see our shadow, so we're not in the rifle pose. Again, I guess we can keyframe those if we want them to slightly move, but I don't mind that this being like this. And let's go correct the idle pose. I'll set a key as well because this, I guess I didn't set the key, and that was my fault. Just kind of move this down and to the side. There we go. And add a key. And also the other lower arm. Where's the other lower arm? Can you see it? Lower arm. There we go. Just place this kind of behind. And let's just add a key. There we go. Hit save. Let's go back and hit play. And hopefully, so when we crouch, we should see our arms now by our side. Yeah. You can see our shadow there. This is looking better. Of course, you can animate this. It kind of looks well, it kind of looks creepy. Look at the shadow. Who moves like that? But hey, it's okay. We're making a horror game, so it doesn't matter if we're creepy too. Um, yeah, there you go. Anyway, that was just a smaller video, just because it was something that just bothered me, the seeing the animation. Anyway, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thank you again, and bye bye.